much. Except, I don't know, I was like a little cautious on the driver, or not the driver, the clutch, because that has to bite against the hub to engage and move. But yeah, that's about good. Now, ooh. Oh, this is so ghetto. Now, you wanna just put, like, take grease and put it, your fingers inside the hub, and then just, like, swish it around. Though I do recommend, if, like, as soon as you get your free coaster, if you have no fucking clue what you are doing, don't take it apart. But if you do have an idea as to what you are doing when you take apart a free coaster, I would actually kind of recommend taking it apart and then re-greasing it and doing everything to your liking. Because whenever I got mine, like, this is the second time in like a week I've opened it up because it was making that clicking sound, and then I did it, and then I just like reopened it for this video and it was still making clicking sound. So yeah. Huh?
If it's a torrent file, do I open with you?
Torrent? Yeah, just save file to desktop.
Okay.
And then open uTorrent and then drag that in, and it should work.
Okay, thank you.
And then depending on how many people are doing it at the same time, it should download fairly quickly.
You found Pirate Bay.
Point.
Awesome.
I got Adobe off that. Which now I don't even need that. But yeah, the inside of your hub should look like all messy and everything, because free coasters are cool kids and you have a bunch of grease and you run them dirty. Make sure you have like a garbage bag or something you can lay this all on. Then you want to take your driver, okay, and mine's actually like there's no grease on it, which makes me sad inside, like I might kill myself. But then you just take a glob of grease, same thing, put it on there. Now this, you can, like, it doesn't matter how much grease is on it because it screws into the clutch, and that's what engages at your hub, because the clutch bites against it and it moves forward. And then whenever you're backpedaling, or whenever you're in fakie, it disengages, it screws, or it unscrews from the clutch. And that's how free coasters like roll forever.
Ever and ever and ever.
And ever and ever and ever and ever and ever. Hola, Vencia. I think that's how you say it in Spanish. Hello, neighbor.
You scared me.
And as soon as that's all dirty and greasy, you want to put it back somewhere where you'll find it, and then you want to go wash your hands, and then, you know, come back to it. No, it's still recording. That's bad. Pause. So, like, after you went and cleaned your hands off, you want to start to put your coaster back together because everything's greased, and that's how it should be. So, you take your hub, and then you find the bigger side without the bearing, which this is the driver's side. This is the side you don't want to start on. That is the non-driver side. You take your axle that is all greasy. Make sure your clutch is on, or else you will kill yourself. No! Oh my god, gay. You put that on the axle. So I'm just like putting a little more grease on it. Okay. Then you put it in the non-driver's side, which is the bigger side that's open. And now what you're going to encounter is it won't go in the whole way, which that's fine right now in time. Okay. What you want to do, you want to take your mallet that you have and just tap it in a couple times just to make sure it's in. Like, there's only like 4 hits. That's fine right now. That is good. Then you take your driver, you rethread it. Make sure your axle's straight. I'm sorry. You thread your driver into the clutch. Okay. But should be good. There should be grease that like plops out. Then you take your mallet, and the bearing should be out still. You just tap the non-driver side like a couple more times, and the non-driver side bearing should go in. Then once you thread it and it's engaged, just tap the non-driver side until it's in, which it should be like a flush looking seal, and then your free coaster should be back together ish. It should be like to the driver. Then you put the free coaster, the driver cap on that you did not lose first, and it should be like I don't know, it's hard to explain, but whenever you're taking this apart, make sure you like know how it came off. Then you put your lock nut on. Oh god. Come on, please. I will love you forever, yo. Dude, wow, come on. Then you just put that back on, like so. Okay, now once you have this, like the lock nut back on and the cap before that, there should be a lot of grease still, which is good. It can only help your chain, and it's really good because there's no friction. Blah blah blah. So that's pretty much it. Well, I guess that's the end of the video. Okay, bye.